Well, the results were better than expected. You can say it's good. That's why the share price rose 4.7% today. But you look at the figures closely. I think one worrying trend is the decline in gross profit. The gross margin for the handsets declined to, I think, 6.7% or something like that, almost half. And of course, Lei always claim Xiaomi is an internet company, should be valued so, but internet business only account for something like 9%. And then the sales per user is really low. It's something like 21 yuan. It's very, very insignificant compared to other companies. So I think you should value Xiaomi more like Apple, which is a handset company rather than an internet company. In that case, Xiaomi is trading right now at about 30 times forward earnings, whereas Apple is trading at about 15 or 16 times. So based on this, you can say that Xiaomi is overvalued.
But Francis, do you think some investors are taking a bet here that they're looking at the prospect of a deeper transition away from just a smartphone company to more of an internet company? I mean, could you make a case in that regard?
Well, everybody's trying to do that. But as I said before, the per unit income is very low. It's like 21 yuan. They have about 200 million users, but they can only generate a very tiny profit. It's nothing compared with Apple, which can generate much, much more. So Xiaomi has a lot of work to do, a lot of catch up to do. But the problem is it's concentrated on the low end of the product line. Everything is cheap, very cheap, 10% gross margin. How can you generate a lot of profit from these?
That's interesting, Francis, because a lot of people look to the sales growth in India as a bright spot here. It seems to me, though, that you're a little bit more cautious just due to the price point.
Yeah, I think Xiaomi, I think, is the largest handset sale in India. I think it can still expand in Africa and also Latin America. But the problem is still, these are not where you find the rich users. People cannot generate that kind of profit that you're looking at. And of course, and then you have to have the products that people want. And look at the Xiaomi's internet website. I don't find anything that I really want and buy. That is the problem.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.